This is meteorologist Brad T. Meyer with an update on the winter weather conditions that are expected across the region on Thursday, January 16th, 2014. Strong northwest winds are expected to develop through the morning hours on Thursday across the region and remain strong throughout the day. Sustained winds by late morning into afternoon are expected in the 35 to 45 mile per hour range, with wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Snowfall across the region are expected to create treacherous travel conditions, especially across portions of eastern South Dakota, southwest Minnesota, into northwest Iowa. The heaviest snowfall is expected to occur across portions of southwest Minnesota along the Buffalo Ridge, mainly in a line from Marshall, Minnesota to Windham, Minnesota. These strong winds combined with the snowfall across the region will create near whiteout conditions at times. Here's a series of maps that illustrate the winds across the region expected on Thursday, and you can see at 9 a.m. wind gusts are expected in the 30 to 45 mile per hour range, but are expected to increase further into the late morning and afternoon hours. These winds are expected to gradually decrease in the late afternoon and evening hours. The strongest winds across the region are mainly expected in the Missouri River Valley, where wind gusts could approach 60 miles an hour. Here's a map of the snowfall that's expected across the region. You can see the heaviest snowfall is expected in a line from Marshall to Windham, Minnesota, with lesser amounts further off to the south and west. However, the light snowfall will still create hazardous driving conditions across the region due to the strong northwest winds. So here's a summary of the event and the potential impacts across the region. Very strong winds and snow is expected to develop through the morning hours on Thursday. Accumulations of 1 to 2 inches are expected across portions of southwest Minnesota, with lesser amounts further off to the west. Whiteout conditions are expected to occur due to the strong winds and falling snow. Stay tuned to your local media for the latest information on these winter weather conditions, or visit weather.gov/Sioux Falls. Be sure to have a winter weather survival kit handy in your vehicle. This may include items such as a blanket, snow shovel, flashlights, hand warmers, matches, a bottle of water, and a protein bar in case you get stranded. And before venturing out, be sure to check road conditions by calling 511 or visit safetravelusa.com.